Life is a circle. Everything that grows eventually returns to the ground. But our current system is not like this circle. It is a line. We take resources, make products, and then throw them away. This is unsustainable since our resources are limited. It is also harmful to our planet because waste fills up landfills and pollutes the oceans. In aviation and aerospace, we still follow this line. We use raw materials like aluminium to build more and more aircraft each year. In producing aircraft, we waste a lot of these high-quality materials. Our production techniques, such as riveting, make it harder to dismantle aircraft parts and reuse their materials. Maintenance, repair, and operations of aircraft is still a highly wasteful process. And when an aircraft comes to the end of its life, not all its parts and materials go on to a second life. How can we fix this problem in aviation and aerospace? We need to turn our current system from a line into a circle by rethinking the way we take, make, consume, and maintain materials and products. Reduce by extracting only the resources that we need. Reuse, keeping aircraft in use for as long as possible. Rethink by feeding resources back into the cycle in a continuous, virtuous loop. This will reduce waste to virtually zero. Applying the circular economy to aviation and aerospace industries is called circular aviation. In circular aviation, we reevaluate the complete life cycle of the aircraft and apply these principles to every phase, making aviation and aerospace industries more sustainable. At the same time, we use resources more efficiently and improve the performance of aircraft. This is what the SUSTAINair project is about. SUSTAINair brings circular economy to the aviation and aerospace industries, thereby providing a flight path for their sustainable, climate-neutral transition. In SUSTAINair, we test, improve, and combine processes and materials to deliver solutions for circular aviation. SUSTAINair aims to provide the technology for the next generation of airframe and engine parts. Circular design with recyclable materials. Circular manufacturing with novel metal alloys and composites. A real-time onboard damage diagnosis system. Improved maintenance and repair technologies. Improved recovery of aluminium recycled materials. Better reuse of components and production waste. Because of this, SUSTAINair has been endorsed by the Future Sky Research Initiative of EREA, the Association of European Research Establishments and Aeronautics. SUSTAINair brings together research institutes, industries, and associations from several European countries to bring circular economy to the aviation and aerospace industries. Visit SUSTAINair online, subscribe to the newsletter, and follow the project on its social media channels. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program.